Hey there, everyone. Skater here again. So I've got another poem for you today. It's called Parrots and Puppets. Small government talking points is nothing more than that when it comes to regulating your behavior. Large and enforcing when it comes to the rights of the powerless. The threats we are facing, they're coming from within. And they care not about your rights, only of your sins. You feared the COVID vaccine was going to track you. Yet now you're being encouraged to delete your menstruation tracking apps from your phone. This Triceratops monster, it is definitely woke. It is loose and it's filled with anger. Like a true dragon slayer, protecting his village for the women and children and even the men alike. We fight this angry beast. Unfortunately, we let it grow. And some even thought, oh, how cute. But most are realizing it is now nothing more than a cancerous growth. Long ago, did this monster lose my respect? But unfortunately, some still can't get past that anger and disrespect. And some, unfortunately, are just utterly obsessed. And this is how the movement began, to strip you of your rights. We are not warriors without a brain. We need not fall in line, but rather question the cause. Does it meet our constitutional laws? Because we are responsible for our own actions. So don't let those with the money and the power turn you into a puppet with a parrot's voice and a seagull's brain. I love you all, my fellow Americans. And everyone else, wherever you are in this world, fighting for your own freedoms, your own rights, and your own democracies. Please stay safe, please stay strong, please stay engaged, and please stay informed. Till next time, have a great night.